After months of negotiations,
we're announcing the greatest improvement in aged care in 30 years.
Those already in the system won't have to pay more, but new entrants will face changes from next July. For example, a fully supported pensioner with few assets would pay up to $300 more. A part pensioner who owns a home up to $4,700 more, while a self-funded retiree could be hit with an extra $13,400 more a year.
Those with means did say they were happy to pay more as long as they could see it was delivering quality services, that there was transparency about where the money was going and that the provider would uphold their rights.
At the moment, we're not building anywhere near the new beds we need. We're closing more than we open and we're not able to refurbish them.
The amount someone spends across their lifetime will be raised too. For non-clinical care, the cap will lift from about $80,000 to $130,000.
The government has agreed to these caps that we've forced them into accepting.
The proposal, which still needs to pass Parliament, will also see a new support at home program.
We are re-gearing the entire system of aged care in this country to be about supporting you at home.
The government had promised criminal penalties for providers that allowed or covered up repeated abuse and neglect. But the opposition feared that would spark an exodus, and ultimately Labor wanted bipartisan support. Instead, it's promising civil penalties for providers that breach standards. Yvonne Buter's mother died in aged care after falling out of bed numerous times. Months later, she lost her father after a wound wasn't treated properly.
That people aren't harmed in aged care, that would be the priority. But then if they are, that there are consequences.
Aged care that's safe and sustainable, a major challenge with the number of Australians over 85 set to triple in a generation. Evelyn Manfield, ABC News, Canberra.